Okay, so the actual compound interest formula itself. Now this one's a bit of a tricky formula. So our rule is A equals P times, open brackets, 1 plus R to the power of T. A equals P times 1 plus R, let's make that a bit clearer that it's a 1 to the power of T. So in this case, we know that P is our principal, our R is our rate. Remember, our rate is as a decimal, and T is our term. One thing to note here is that A is actually our final amount, all right? So amount is interest plus principal, all right? So this number that we get for A is actually going to be the principal and the interest added together. So let's have a look at a bit of an example. So example, if I have find the total earned when $9,000 is invested for 4 years at 7%. Now it's going to say here using compound interest. All right, so we're definitely not just using our simple interest formula. Interest. Terrible writing, Mr. Goodsell. So A equals P times 1 plus R to the power of T. All right, so our principal is $9,000 times 1 plus 0.07 to the power of 4. Okay, so I've got $9,000 as our principal, 7% as our rate, and 4 for our number of years. Tuck that into the calculator. And I get, let me draw this, 11797.16. Now, thing to remember is that is the total amount. Okay, so if we start with 9,000, we're going to end up with this amount. So therefore, the amount earned is $2,797.16, because I actually have to do 11,000, take the 9,000 off that I started with. So I've earned $2,797.16. Our quote comes from Ambrose Bierce, a writer from America. He said, "A novel is merely a short story that's been padded out a bit."